We're at Mackie Don Don's because I like spicy, hot and spicy, so we're here to try the McSpicy. Just waiting for it though, because obviously my order is not ready yet. Right, we've got the goods do. I got the burger and I got some red hot mayonnaise as well, so we're going in with a hot and spicy. Let's see how spicy it really is. Got some chips too. Not a McDonald's lover if I'm honest. Also, I waited 20 minutes for these and my chips are cold. So we got the Frank's red hot chicken burger. It's got elemental cheese in it, jalapenos, lettuce, spicy Frank's red hot mayonnaise in a sesame bun. I'm not going to dip it in the mayo yet because it's got the mayo in it. It's a good burger. It has got a kick, but I think I could have a bit more of a kick. Just got a jalapeno as well, dude. I'm gonna dip it. It's not hot enough for me. It is good though. For McDonald's, you know, the jalapenos are good. Meant to have onions in it. I'm an onion whore. Can't taste the onions. My mouth is hot. I'm sweating. But I could still have it a bit hotter. Frank's red hot sauce mayo with some cold crap chips. That's nice. Not hot enough for me. What is wrong with me? I am going to give it a solid 8 out of 10 though. It's dropping 2 points because I want it spicier. However, yeah, if you really like spicy food, I'd say you'd probably be able to handle more spice. If you don't like spicy food, don't get it because it is spicy. I mean, at least it is spicy. Like McSpicy is spicy. Hallelujah. For the first time, it is what it says it is. I mean, it is spicy. Yeah, it's spicy. It is quite spicy. Dip your chip. No guys, I'm absolutely sweating actually. I need to take my glasses off because I'm sweating.